kittens before. Kittens before. How many? 8? Let's see what I can do. I'm not gonna charge you. Just bring them by and I'll see.
And I'm using a matcha that is culinary grade number from Kanbayashi Shunsho or something. My posture is like this because di ako kita, di ba, pag nakaganyan. So, ganyan ako. Usually, 3 scoops of ganito kalaking ginagamit. I mean, yeah. I also got this espresso mug, or I don't know, from Japan Surplus. So, gagawa lang tayo ng paste. O, di na siya naging paste. Tapos, 3 scoops ng white sugar yung gamit ko. 3 teaspoon ata to.
Umalis ka, kailangan walang sira.
Hi guys, I don't know if marinig niyo ba ako or what, but it's already 4:36 p.m. and katapos ko lang din mag-edit and hindi na rin ako masyado nag-film. And ayun, naubos ko na rin yung aking iced latte and yung ginamit ko milk doon is wang-wang. Like yung color red na nasa can and lasa siyang how-how. Okay naman yung nangyari sa morning ko, like kung ano yung plinan ko kagabi is na-execute ko naman siya ng mabuti. So I'm just yung mga plinan ko, ginagawa ko lang din. Like, ayan, nag-edit ang vlog. And around 11 to 12 ata is nakapag-nap ako. And ayun, gagawa na ako ngayon ng dirty chai oat latte. Kasi I still have an espresso there. Pero binili ko lang siya sa 7-Eleven. And I still have chai teas there. And I also have oat milk. So, gagawa ako. Basically, yung nangyari sa morning ko is I woke up around 6 a.m. and around 6:30 is nag-breakfast kami ng friend ko. I ate lugaw with lechon kawali and treat niya yon kasi parang may favor siya na hiningi sa akin. So tapos bilang nagaya siya na mag-breakfast kami kasi parang wala pa daw siyang sleep. And kaya nag-breakfast kami and then after nun is nag-walk kami pero hindi siya sumama all throughout the walk. Like, 3 kilometers lang ata or less yung sinama niya sa akin. And wala, nag-yap session lang din kami. Yan, parang talk about life. And then, I proceed, like, nakatapos ako ng 7 km walk kaninang morning. And, ayan, nag-shower ako. And then, catch up with my Notion and mga morning reads ko. Kasi parang sinama ko na sa routine ko yung daily horoscope and then co-start ko today. So, pati yun nilalagay ko na siya sa Notion. And nilalagay ko siya and then binabasa ko na rin and then may mga takeaways ako. Pero naka-highlight lang din and underline yung mga takeouts ko. Tapos ayun, catch up lang din sa Notion and then gumawa nga ako ng green tea and iced latte with wangwang milk and then nakanap ako. Nagbasa ako ng onting pages, like 2 pages at that's inantok ako. And then nagising ako around 11:30 and then nag-phone ako for 30 minutes I guess. And then nag-proceed na ako to edit the vlog. Tapos while editing the vlog is I'm watching a movie which is Sleepless in Seattle. And then ngayon kakatapos ko lang mag-export ng aking vlog. And I'm editing like vlogettes tawag ko kasi parang ano siya like shorter version siya. Like parang basta yun yung pinupost ko sa TikTok. Kasi nga parang wala rin akong content ideas pa na other than my mga na-record ko na video. So, yeah, yun lang naman. And I'm about to make myself an iced dirty chai oat latte as a reward kasi nakatapos ako ng isang vlog. And later is edit ko yung vlogettes ko and then mag-indoor walk ako. Then journal and then I don't know. This is my first time making dirty iced chai oat. It's a mix of chai oat latte with an espresso shot. So, I don't know bakit ngayon ko lang siya ginawa. Pero I'm hoping na masarap siya. And ilang beses na rin ako nag-try na mag-order ng ganito sa Starbucks. Pero nag-e-end up pa rin na nagiging chai oat latte yung aking order. So, this is my first time trying and tasting. Though, parang nung last March ata is nakatry ako pero I never tasted an espresso shot or an iced chai latte that time. Parang pure milk drink lang siya. Pero yeah, I got to make my own. My God, masarap siya. Hi guys, I hope na naririnig niyo ako and today was a good day. I was able to do most of the things that I planned or I kinda did all the things that I planned today and I am so happy that I am able to cross out the things that I did tomorrow on my planner and Kakatapos ko lang mag-journal and I'm about to read some pages sa aking current read, which is To Kill a Mockingbird. And I'm on page 7 pala. I'm on page 10 pa lang kasi kakastart ko lang kagabi. Though na-start ko na siya nung January ata, pero I wasn't able to continue it. So, I'm finishing this book ngayong December. That is my goal. So, yeah. I'm planning to read before going to bed. So, yeah, yun lang.
Parents ended up giving me a whole what? Let me try every single apple that he had, and they were all so.
Hi guys, it's already 4:23 and I'm going for a walk. Tapos na ako mag-get ready. And yung damit ko is Sinuot ko lang ulit para hindi sayang. Kasi parang di naman ako lumabas with this damit. Productive naman yung naging araw ko today. I mean, yung araw ko before this point, yung hours, productive naman ako. Yung mga plinano ko is nagawa ko naman. And ayun, I just gonna hit like over 10k steps. I also made Earl Grey matcha kanina. Ko na muna siya ubusin. Kasi baka maiiyak ako mamaya. And di ko rin i-bring yung phone ko and just gonna be using my watch to track everything. I'm just gonna use the AirPods. Yung gagamitin ko tong AirPods ng kasi. I'm also filming my walk and plan din ako na mag-visit ako ng Japan Surplus. Kasi parang may nakita ako, may nadaanan kami before. And the last time na dumaan kami doon is wala akong binili. Which is okay lang naman. And right now, I think bibili ako ng something na magagamit ko. Hi guys! So, ayan, na rin ako with everything, like nakapag-shower. And, ayun, mag-haul lang ako sa mga nabili kong Japan Surplus items. And, dalawa yung napuntahan ko. And, buti na lang is, hindi ako tumuloy dun sa unang napuntahan ko kasi mayroong mas okay na items dun sa pangalawang pinuntahan ko, which is yung napuntahan na namin before. And yeah, una tayo sa pinakamaliit. This is, ito yung nabili ko. Parang patungan siya ng chopstick. And wala, parang decoration lang siya as of the moment. Kasi di pa naman ako may chopstick. And then, this shot glass na 10 piso lang. This cup or mug na 35 pesos. And then dito ako natutuwa kasi akala ko mahal siya tapos mura lang pala. A matcha bowl. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya mag-work kasi nakaganto siya. Pero let's see. So yun lang. Okay naman yung walk ko. Like, very peaceful naman. So yeah, hugasan ko na siya and I'll be back siguro later. Or I don't know, baka tomorrow na. Hi guys, gagawa tayo ng matcha using soy milk na nabay ko kanina sa may manlalako. Then I'm gonna be using this parang shot glass for my measurements na nabili ko sa Japan Surplus. And then this matcha bowl na nabili ko rin sa Japan Surplus. And I am using this matcha powder, Kanbayashi Shunsho, culinary grade.